Hi guys, it's Sarah here, the ballet coach. So this tutorial is all about how we do Grand Pliés and how we do them correctly. You will see me do these in my classes many times. In fact, pretty much every single one of the traditional ballet classes that I do. So we all should know a demi-plié. Demi-plié is a half a plié. Plié is the French word to bend. So we know that we're bending our knees. When we get to a Grand Plié, it gets a little bit more involved. So I've got my ballet bar here, aka my kitchen chair, and I'm going to start facing the chair. Okay, so as we're standing here, we're already finding our posture, heels on the floor, squeezing the inside thighs, squeezing the glutes and pulling the abdominal muscles up. 2 hands onto the chair. So guys, I want you to go into your demi-plié, go as far as you can before you feel like your heels have to start coming up, and stop. Hold it here. This is your maximum stretch for your Achilles tendon. From here, without altering the pelvis at all, keeping it in, like I like to call, a neutral position, start going down. Lift the heels ever so slightly off the floor, but ensure that you're pushing your knees out as wide as they can go and get all the way down. Now, as soon as we get to the bottom, we want to start thinking about coming back up, getting those heels down as soon as we can, and complete the plié. Well done, let's go again. So demi-plié, down, and 2. Heels coming up, pushing my knees out, keeping my pelvis neutral, coming back up slowly, heels down, and slowly complete the plié. One more time, let's go. Down, demi-plié. Heels are coming up, my knees are going out, push, my spine is straight as soon as I hit the bottom. My heels come down, and then I come all the way back up. Guys, to do a Grand Plié correctly is really difficult, okay? So have a practice. Make sure you're holding on to something. The sooner that you can find your correct practice by holding onto your bar, when you come into the center and we do a Grand Plié in the center, we should be a little bit more on our balance and be able to do it and execute it slightly better. If you find yourself, when you go down, falling backwards, it's because, well, likely because you've just tucked your pelvis and your body thinks that you're going to sit down, and of course there's nothing to sit down on behind. Okay, so keep your pelvis absolutely underneath you, keep it there, and then come up. Guys, it is a full body workout. It is tough. So practice with your chair and let me know how you get on.